Now student, you see some examples on ratio. See 22 is to 40. How to read? 22 is to 40. This ratio can be written in the fraction form like this. First you write this ratio in written form, that fraction form like 22 upon 40, and then both these number 22 and 40 can be divisible by 2. So divide numerator and denominator by 2, you will get 11 upon 20. So this 11 upon 20 is the simplest form or lowest form of the ratio. Understood? This is the simplest form or lowest form of the ratio, and this also can be written as 11 is to 20. इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं आप 11 is to 20. So similarly all the problems are like only 16 is to 68. So write first of all in fraction form 16 upon 68. सबसे पहले रेशियो को फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में लिखना है आपको. उसके बाद में choose proper number by which we can divide numerator and denominator. So here we can divide 16 and 16 by 4. So then you will get 4 upon 7. Again this can be written as 4 is to 7 like this. And in the third problem also 30 is to 45. 30 upon 45, that is 30 and 45, both these numbers divisible by 15. So divide this number by 15, you will get 3 upon 5, and again this can be written as 3 is to 5. So all these are the simplest form or lowest form of the ratio. 11 is to 20, 4 is to 7, 3 is to 5. Now equivalent ratio means what? Equivalent means equal. When the two ratios are equal, that is they are called as equivalent ratio. So to find equivalent ratio, what you have to do? See, ratios can be compared as fraction. Okay, that just like a fraction, ratios also can be written in the fraction form, and then we can compare it. Okay, if the fractions are equal, the ratios are also equal. Obviously, in fraction we study about that two fractions are equal if its cross multiplication is equal. Okay. Similarly, here also we have to convert first of all ratios into the fraction, and then by using the method of fraction we can compare their two fraction. Obviously we are comparing the ratio. Now see here how to do. Here 1 is to 4 and 2 is to 3. Okay. Now this 1 is to 4 can be written as 1 upon 4 in the fraction form, and 2 is to 3 can be written as 2 upon 3. Okay. Now you know that when we are getting fraction, by taking the cross multiplication we can compare it. Okay, take cross multiplication. 1 multiply 3, that is 1 multiply 3 is equal to 3, and 2 multiply 4, that is equal to 8 by the cross multiplication. Okay. Now obviously 3 8 से छोटा है, या 3 और 8 दोनों इक्वल नहीं है. Here 3 and 8 are not equal. 3 और 8 क्या इक्वल है क्या? नहीं, इक्वल नहीं, तो ये रेशियो भी इक्वल नहीं होते. So therefore 1 is to 4 and 2 is to 3 are not equal. Okay. अगर ये 3 और 8 यहाँ पे भी 8 आता है, यहाँ पे भी 8 आता है, दोनों भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन अगर सिमिलर सेम आता है तो दोनों रेशियो इक्विवेलेंट होते हैं, डिफरेंट आता है तो नॉट इक्विवेलेंट. ऐसा लिखना. Another point, comparison of ratios. Comparison of ratios can be done by cross multiplication method, means same method, just like fraction. In this case only you have to convert that ratios into the fractions, and then by using the rules of fraction we can compare the ratios. Now see here 1 is to 2 and 4 is to 7. First of all convert it to the fraction form. 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 7. Take the cross multiplication. 1 multiply 7, that is 7, and another one 4 multiply 2, that is 8. Again here 7 is smaller than 8, so first ratio is smaller than second ratio. So in this way, just like fraction, first of all you have to convert ratios into fraction, and by using the rules of comparison for the fraction you use same rule for the ratios. Okay. Thank you. Here tomorrow I will take some problems.